In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the WordPress More block. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, understanding how to efficiently use blocks can greatly enhance the way you present content on your site. So, let's dive into it. First things first, head over to wordpress.com. This is where all the magic happens, as it provides everything you need to build and customize your website. Once you're there, you can continue by logging in. Simply click on the Login option. You'll typically find this in the top right corner of your screen. Enter your credentials, and you're all set for the next step. After logging in, you'll be directed to the WordPress dashboard. This is your command center. From here, you can manage all aspects of your site. Look around if you want to familiarize yourself more with the dashboard. But for today, our focus is to navigate to either the Posts or Pages section. Click on the one you wish to add a block to. This will open up the content editor where you can start creating or editing your posts and pages. Now that you're in the editor, look towards the top left corner. You should see a plus button, commonly referred to as the block button. Clicking on this will open the block inserter panel that allows you to add new blocks to your post or page. Once the block inserter panel is open, use the search bar to find the More block. Simply type in More, and the option should appear just beneath. This More block is especially useful if you want to control how much of a post shows on your homepage or archive pages. With the More block in view, click on it to add it to your post or page. The beauty of this block is that it inserts a Read More link at the point you place the block. This means, on your site's homepage, visitors will only see the content above this marker, with a prompt inviting them to read more. It's a great way to keep your homepage neat and compact, while also intriguing your visitors to delve deeper into your content. And there you have it. You've successfully added a More block to your WordPress site. This technique is an excellent means to manage content flow and presentation, ensuring that your website remains user-friendly and engaging. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. If you did, don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tricks. Until next time, happy blogging!